lovely surprise. I'd be so delighted if you performed for us. What's wrong?
We'd all much rather you continued your performance, my dear.
The doctor's right, Rachel. I don't understand. They're just jugglers, for goodness sake.
Anyawat Sajano, Parantu, Ad Sham, Konahi.
श्रीमान फिर मैं आपको शुभरात्रि कहूँगा।
आपको भी शुभरात्रि। Dear.
What's wrong?
I know little of such matters, gentlemen, but I suspect our visitors are not jugglers.
Then what are they, Doctor?
Brahmins, Mr. Blake. Priests.
Priests?
Highest rank in the Hindu hierarchy, Betteridge. Capable of great purity. To leave their country and disguise themselves. Grave offences in their religion. Means they have sacrificed their caste. The greatest sacrifice they could make. This could only be prompted by